Welcome to this week's Market Snapshot at Dovermont, where we break down what's scheduled in the economy and what it could mean for everyday households, small businesses, and workers. This week, attention is centered around inflation indicators, job-related data, housing activity, and energy reports, all of which play a role in shaping financial conditions over time. On the inflation side, reports such as Producer Price Index and Core PPI are scheduled. These give insight into what businesses are experiencing in terms of production costs. If costs are rising, it can eventually influence consumer prices. If they begin to ease, it may signal some relief ahead, although that often takes time to reach households. We also have several updates tied to employment, including jobless claims and labor-related trends. These reports help indicate whether the job market is holding steady, tightening, or beginning to shift. For individuals, this connects to job stability, hiring conditions, and income consistency. Housing-related data, including mortgage activity and housing market indicators, will also be released. These reports reflect how buyers and renters are responding to current interest rates and affordability conditions. Changes here can influence both home ownership decisions and rental market pressure. In addition, energy reports, including oil and gasoline inventory data, are expected. These can impact fuel prices, which often affect transportation, goods, and overall cost of living more quickly than other economic indicators. Business activity data, such as manufacturing indexes and industrial production, will also provide insight into how companies are operating in the current environment. These trends can influence hiring, expansion, and overall economic momentum. What this means for real life is not about reacting to a single report, but understanding the direction of multiple signals over time. For households, it's a reminder to stay flexible and aware of how costs, income, and expenses may shift. For employees, it highlights the importance of income stability and managing cash flow, especially in changing conditions. For small business owners and freelancers, it reinforces the need to monitor expenses, pricing, and margins closely as economic conditions evolve. The goal is not to predict outcomes, but to stay informed and prepared. That's this week's Market Snapshot. At Dovermont, we help you keep more, grow more, and stress less.